Hi, this is IT-Conductor, and today we are demonstrating the SID-Refresh, the process to do the export-import using the command line option to restore your configuration after a system copy. So in the command line option, we use the same jar file, SID-Refresh, as we've seen in video 1, 2, and 3 in the GUI mode. Here in the command line mode, we are able to specify basically export, import, where the directories are, what things we want to export. So in this case, you can display the help for the tool. And then -C, we check the configuration. So currently, we need to create a directory for the export. We can create it somewhere where we're going to be able to use it to import later on. So exporting from the QA system that we're going to override with a database refresh, obviously, so that we can save the configuration. Launching with the Java, specifying the jar file, -E for the export option, -D for the directory where the export file is going to be created. And then we want to also specify the directory where the R3 trans executable is. And we're specifying parallel thread number 4. I mean, for R3 trans, it's going to be kicked off in parallel. And then using all these options, we can specify if we don't want /all, which means take all configurations, we can specify them individually. We'll do all later on when we do the import. Obviously, only exported data will import, but here's an example where you can just continue to specify what configuration you want. Of course, if you're doing a one-time thing, this is the way to do it via command line. If you've done it by the GUI and save the configuration, of course, you just specify that instead. So just exporting a few technical configuration takes a few seconds and it's completed. We'll go and look at the export log. Here we can see what tables are exported, how long it took to export. In this case, only a few seconds. Now, let's go and do the reverse process, which means we'll take that exported data, reverse the E to the I option, and specify all. That means all exported data will be imported. And make sure we have the right export directory in R3 trans, number of parallel threads, and we specify all, and the import goes. This is a small example, but it could take longer if you're specifying more detail to export and import. Should be almost done here. At the end, we'll commit. There you go. And now we have imported the data back into the QA system following a database refresh. And then we'll go check out the import log. Import log should show us the tables that were imported back in with the return code. So obviously those tables exist. It has to truncate them and import the data back in. And those are the 4 tables we have. And this completes the procedure for restoring the configuration of a system after the system refresh. Thus, SID-Refresh does the job for you automatically. Thank you.